Hi, this is Edye Beans from the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edye, I am making carrot spice cake. This recipe stems from when I worked at the Saint Germain Bakery in British Columbia, where in 2016, we created the world's largest carrot cake. So this inspired recipe will be in the description below, along with links to all the products you see here in this video. If you like this recipe and others that we do have on Little House of Beans, the most important thing to do is give us a thumbs up. And if you're so inclined, hit that notification button and subscribe to the Little House of Beans. I am ready to get cooking and I am ready to eat this spice carrot cake. I'm sure Stu is behind the camera. Let's get cooking.